Twagala okuleta okumanyisa ensi eri bannayuganda bannaffe abali wano n'abo bonna abalina omwoyo omulungi abaagaliza Obuganda okuba emirembe. Twagala okubamanyisa nti okutegeera kwaffe kumanyisiddwa nti Mayiga ali Namibia olunaku n'ekiseera ky'olwaleero okuva luli lwe yagendayo. Era abeera afuna meetings bali mu kafubo ne ba officials ba Namibia. Naye Mayiga tukuwoninga nti singa ogeza n'otta Kabaka waffe, Mayiga naawe tojja kusigala ng'oli mulamu. Mayiga okuggyako nga Ssebusiru bwa Njoka, okimanyi bulungi nti Buganda ye Uganda. Era Buganda bw'eba teriiwo ne Uganda teriiwo. Mayiga tukuwoninga era walemesezza n'abataka okulaba Kabaka. Mayiga, this is a serious warning to you. We are warning you against any torture. You've already tortured our king enough. You tried to poison him. You have tortured him. You have stabbed him of food. Mayiga, you abducted our king because you want to take over the palace in Buganda and in Uganda. You have sold all the palace land. Mayiga, we are warning you. We have known, we've got information, reliable information that you are in Namibia right now. You are holding meetings with Namibian officials, meeting after meeting. We don't know whatever you're planning to do. It is you who has hindered the Bataka from accessing the king. Mayiga, we are calling upon you to stop whatever evil acts you're doing against King Ronald Muwenda Mutebi II. Mayiga, Kabaka Ronald Muwenda Mutebi appointed you as his prime minister. Little did he know you are a traitor, you are a killer, you are a murderer, you are a bloodsucker. We are warning you to spare our king. We are warning you, Mayiga, to spare our king. We are speaking with a lot of pain in our hearts. Why are you torturing him? Even if he wasn't a king, he deserves to have a life, an independent life to enjoy his family. Why are you torturing him? After all that you've had, Mayiga, please, we are warning you, please spare our king and set him free. We already know all your moves. We are following you wherever you go. Please, Mayiga, speak to your inner man, speak to your heart, and stop torturing our king. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Servants ba Kabaka, twena abanya-Uganda, turi hano yo mu Central London, turi hano ya twatulya rubiri rwa Kabaka, His Majesty King Charles twarugayo twijaha, turi kubanja Mayiga waza hati ez'eshaaha oli Namibia. Oli Namibia, ole mesi z'abataka kubugana Kabaka wabo. Mayiga, Uganda yonera kurahira, turakurahira ngukora yite Kabaka Muwenda Mutebi. Omusheija okwatirire buli munya-Uganda wena. Iwe Mayiga, iwe na Kagere, iwe na Nabaroga, iwe na Wasaja, kumura yite Kabaka murondahi muratore. Abana banyu baryate mwatemwa, abana banyu baryaribwe binyonyi, abana banyu baryaribwe mbwa za muhanda. Mureke Kabaka w'abanya-Uganda. Mayiga ruga Namibia ekura Kabaka weitu, kandi Kabaka weitu no mushisho nakundwa buryomwe. Tibaganda bonka, tibakiga bonka, tibanyankole bonka, buli munya-Uganda wena arakunda Ronald Muwenda Mutebi. Reka kwita Kabaka w'abanya-Uganda, reka kwita Kabaka Ssaabasajja Kabaka, ahangare, ahangare, ahangare.